Yes, good morning guys. Dito na naman tayo sa ating manukan. Time for feeding the duck, the goose, the chicken, and the turkey. As you can see guys, they are so excited to taste the leaves of the grass because almost 1 week they did not feed grass like this, so they are all excited, you know. Guys, you see, the chicken and the duck are all excited to eat. We are using the natural food so that this food they intake will serve as nutrients to their body. And as you can see, they are all excited, and they are now busy eating leaves. Everybody is busy. We'll try also to put some leaves to the to the small to the chicks, and maybe after a few weeks they become a chicken also, like this. Oh, there is a chick there inside. We put the chicks here. And the newly hatched chicken is at the other side. Later we will go there, and you can see the newly hatched chicken. Chicks.
May napabot na lang kurot.
Now let's go to the newly hatched chicks. Here, they are here. There, newly hatched chick with the mother don't want to open her wings, and the chicks are there inside the no, she don't want.
See the eggs?
And then you can also see those eggs that are that chicken is also laying eggs, and the eggs is there also, and the other is laying also eggs here. Now we have two big eggs here already, and I think these eggs are for the
From the turkey?
turkey. Oh. So many eggs, and this is they use it as their bowl. So instead of egg, they poo there. Let's proceed to the feeding area while we give the food for the chicken, and still they are eating
Duck.
the ducks. And we see also the laying ducks there. Come on. As you can see, the pan, there are the pan. There are using that pond for their as their
Swimming pool.
swimming pool, and we are now here at the chicken, a duck quarter, and as you can see, there is an egg also there. Oh, you see the egg, the laid egg, and the mother is now having her birth, giving birth at the corner. We will not disturb it, but we can glance, get her picture like that, video. Like that. Oh, you see, that's the duck now is on birth. And we will see also the come on, let's see also the
Sheep.
sheep. I give also their food. Right now the weather is good, and the time is at 9 a.m. in the morning. We're still feeding we're still feeding our animals, and that's the our sheep right now, and they are staring at me because I give only small amount of food for them. But later on, I'll get food for them. I'll cut the, I will harvest the nappier there so that the sheep will be happy like the ducks and the goose. And now, please, before we continue, and please click our
Please like, subscribe.